In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and reorganize the primary column in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet you want to work on and locate the primary column. This is the main column in the sheet and it usually appears on the far left. In Smartsheet, the primary column has a special role. So it's important to understand right away that you can't fully replace it with another existing column in the same way you might in a spreadsheet program. Instead, what you can do is adjust it so it works better for your needs. Once you have the sheet open, take a moment to review the current setup. If the name of the primary column no longer matches the way you want to use the sheet, go ahead and rename it. Giving it a clearer label can make the entire sheet easier to understand, especially if multiple people view or update it. Choose a name that reflects the kind of information you want this column to hold. After that, focus on the data itself. If there is important information currently stored in another column that really belongs in the primary column, copy that information over. This is a key part of the process because while Smartsheet won't let you swap in another column as the true primary column, you can still make the primary column function the way you need by moving the most essential content into it. As you do this, be careful to keep the data accurate and aligned with the correct rows. Once the primary column contains the right information, you can improve the overall layout by rearranging the other columns. Move related columns closer together and place the most frequently used ones where they're easier to scan. This helps create a cleaner structure and makes the sheet more readable for both you and anyone else using it. If you prefer to rely on a different column during your day-to-day work, you can still use that column as your main visual reference. Even though it won't technically become the primary column, positioning it nearby and organizing the sheet thoughtfully can make it feel like the central point of focus. When everything looks the way you want, save the sheet to make sure your updates are preserved. Taking a few minutes to rename, copy, and reorganize can make your Smartsheet much easier to use without changing the platform's core structure.